Hi, everyone. My name's Chiara, and I'm here to present my Stackathon, or really what I learned from it, why web scraping La Real Academia Española is so hard. So my project was this dictionary that I've wanted to see online for a very long time, similar to Urban Dictionary, where it would actually take slang terms. Jerga is a word in Spanish that basically means a particular vernacular for a group. And I wanted to see like this one website that would let you look up what words mean in Spanish for different groups. La Real Academia Española is the premier authority of the Spanish language, but unfortunately they don't allow any sort of user input, and I wanted to see that happen. I first started by thinking about the models and how the dictionary user interaction would work. I even worked a little bit on Firebase. Didn't see that as a good database. And then I tried web scraping, but unfortunately with Node.js, web scraping La Real Academia Española was really hard. You'd have to use a browser to access the DOM, which was hard. So Friday came around, and I realized I'm going to have to pivot, and I decided to make another component of this idea, which would be to have like a map that would interact and show data for like how different words would change according to region. And that's when I found React Simple Maps. It's a really, really good library. I highly recommend anyone using it. Anyone who wants to use geography and data. It uses TopoJSON. And you can basically get to generate the SVGs, and you can basically get these TopoJSONs to map any kind of geography. And React Simple Maps is, the entire library has really good sort of customizable uses. You can, there's a bunch of projections. Basically, the different kinds of projections that show like different kind of geopolitical interpretations, because mapping 3D objects onto 2D is difficult, and there's different interpretations of that. And yeah, so this is what I have so far, and I managed to basically only include certain geographies. It allows you to include or exclude whichever geographies you want, and if we inspect, we can also see that I could, yeah, you can have it access the data in the TopoJSON objects of the geography. So these objects would have, say, the name of the country, the particular ID, and then you could have a really customizable React component that that would render clickable. How do I say this? You could access any kind of information in those objects by doing that. You could actually have it console log things. That's what mine does so far. Anyway, I ran out of time, and this is the Spanish-speaking world. And yeah, that was my Stackathon. Thanks.